Um, good good morning, sir. So, I'm Josh Wander Arso Ruiz from BSIT, um, 22010. So, basically, this is our business website, and our client is Daily Pit. So, our goal, sir, is to showcase only the product of our customer. So, hindi po siya fully e-commerce na kailangan may add to cart or else. So, for showcasing lang po yung system namin. Then, this is the homepage. So, and product, also the gallery, and about, and contact. Then, may search functionality rin po siya, which is nasa all products, kung saan pag nag-search ka, nagpa-function na po siya. Ayan, puro search. T-shirt lang po lumabas. So, when it comes responsive of website, ginawa rin po namin mobile responsive yung website po namin. So, ayan. So, when it comes dynamic functionalities and plus database integration, so, gumawa kami ng CRUD na kung saan pwedeng mag-add or delete ng item ang client namin. So, ayan, nag-delete muna ako, then nag-add na ako ng bagong item. Then, yun. Successful naman yung pag-add. So, try naman natin i-edit yung product. Yun, lalagyan natin letter. So, success naman po na na-edit natin yung product. So, if titignan natin yung output niya sa may landing page, ito po ang lalabas. So, ayan, success naman po. Lumabas po yung bagong gawa natin. So, yung old product po is same lang naman po siya dun sa una. So, dito na po nagtatapos yung 50% na business website po namin. Thank you po.